Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install applications on the Amazon tablet from unofficial source. So in the first step we have to open the Self browser. Now look for the any APK files. Like APK Pure. And now look for the app that you want to install it. Like a Yahoo Mail. Now we have to download the APK file, allow permissions, and click on the OK. Now click on the Open, click on the Settings, and add permissions to the install something from unofficial source. Click on the Install, and this is the way how you can install applications on your Amazon tablet. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.